Ford did an excellent job when it came to the restyling of the S650 Mustang. Unfortunately, when you pop your hood, you're still left with a plastic coolant tank. That's why we came out with our aluminum expansion tank for all of your S650 Mustangs. Now everybody knows how horrible the overflow looked on the S550 Mustangs. They put it right front and center in the engine bay. People refer to it as a peanut or a football. Now, the S650, they've relocated over here, and while it looks a little bit better, everything underneath the hood of these S650s looks really nice. It's black, everything ties together. And then you got this clear plastic jug over here that just kind of looks out of place. Now this is Dario's personal car, so he likes to take it to cars and coffees. So not only did we do the strut tower brace in red, we did the IRS braces. So to add a little bit more class underneath the hood, we're introducing our Steeda aluminum overflow tanks. Now these are super high quality. They're made from aluminum sheet metal, TIG welded. They're available in a black powder coat finish with the Steeda logo laser engraved, or you can get them in plain aluminum. And you can paint them any color you want or polish them. The quality is in the details. You have billet aluminum fittings, unlike the screw-in ones on the plastic. And you've got a billet aluminum filler neck that accepts a factory cap. And it's also got the bleed hole built in. So if you see more than 21 PSI or the car's running hot, it will allow fluid and expansion to come out the bottom, simply just like the factory. Now the aluminum design is gonna offer you more durability than the factory one. And like I said, it really ties everything together real nicely here in the engine bay. Now keep in mind, these are gonna fit EcoBoost, GTs, and the Dark Horse Mustang. So if you've got an S650, let's show you how to get one of these installed. Here are the tools required to install the S650 expansion tank. Start by waiting for your car to cool down, then loosen the cap to the factory coolant tank. Use a 10mm socket to loosen the 2 bolts in the front and the one in the rear. Carefully pick up the tank. Now grab a pair of hose clamp pliers to remove the top 2 hoses. Go ahead and pull them off if you can. There may be some coolant present in these hoses, so point them upward as to not spill any. A pair of line clamp pliers can hold the bottom hose closed. Go ahead and take the cap off completely. We actually decided to remove the intake tube to make it easier to empty the factory coolant tank. Carefully pour the contents into a container. The factory cap has an overflow drain, so pour it out through the smaller opening. This ensures you don't leak any coolant on the floor. Once the container is mostly flipped over, it's okay to pour out the factory cap location. Loosen the lower clamp, and then the factory tank can be removed. Grab the Steeda tank and install the lower hose first. When installing the lower hose, position the tank in which it's to be installed. This will ensure you avoid any kinks in the lower hose. It may be easier to slide the clamp back and then install it over the hose once you have it completely on. Now you can get it pressed in place. Resecure the clamp. You may need to use a flathead to tighten it down. Once secured, the line clamp can be removed. Press the left hose onto the fitting. Reinstall the bolts to secure the tank in place. Squeeze the right hose clamp onto the other fitting. Now go ahead and get the left clamp secured. Use a funnel to pour the original coolant into the new tank. We'll go ahead and reinstall the intake tube now. Make sure to plug in the mass airflow sensor. Tighten the hose clamp at the throttle body, and now the lid can go back on too. As you can see, our coolant level is a bit low. We decided to add some water. If you use water, make sure it is distilled water. You can now reinstall the factory cap. Check for any leaks, but after that, your installation is complete. As you can see, a pretty straightforward install as long as you have the right tools, and I'll admit, I kind of wish Frank used my car instead of Dario's. It looks absolutely great. You can find this and more products at Steeda.com. So hit like, subscribe, follow us on all of our social channels, and remember, Steeda, where speed matters.